Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today's video is going to be kind of an experimental video. I'm going to be showing you, I think this is like, is it bunching that I'm experiencing? I don't know what this is, but I've had some issues with some locks in the front doing this, and I don't know what caused it, to be honest, but I fixed some of them by just retying this part. So that's what I'm going to try to do today. If you want to see how I'm going to attempt to try to fix this, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into it. Right now I'm getting the tools out that I use. I got these tools from Amazon. I have like 4 of them. I have some downstairs, and well, 2 downstairs and 2 up here. This is what it looks like. I will have a link to my Amazon store down below if you all want to purchase the exact type of tools that I have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, I think I should use this one. I always use these tools to like help me get the hair through them. Like I use both of them like that. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to retie it. Let me try something really quick. Let me see. I wish I had a different prop to like prop the camera up. So I'm literally just going to retie it. Wait. I think I'm going to go. It's a little bit more challenging to do when I'm starting from the middle. But I do a 3-point rotation normally. So let me show you what I'm doing. Going through, wait, let me go through it. Through it. And this is not fun at all for me, this part. But it has worked for some of them. Now, I don't know if this is going to cause trouble with my locks in the future, but I'm somebody where I like to do my hair myself. Trust me, I wouldn't mind going to get it done either on occasion, but I like to figure out like how to fix my hair myself in case I need to, because if I was waiting on going to like the shop or if I needed an appointment, this would really irritate me, not gonna lie. So I will quickly experiment and figure out like what I need to do and how I can fix whatever problem I'm experiencing. But I'm gonna just keep, and if you hear that noise, it's like some bubbles in my sink, so please ignore that. If it's irritating you, I apologize. But I just literally saw this. I'm about to give my daughter a bath, and I looked in the mirror and I'm like, what is that? What's going on with my lock? And I saw that in the middle was coming loose. So I'm like, let me go ahead and take care of it now. Because if I don't know if it's gonna get worse. I don't know. But I don't want to even forget about it, because I'd go to sleep and forget about it. And then when I see it again, it would irritate me, and I'll be like, why didn't I just go ahead and fix it? So I have noticed though, I mean, one of the perks too for me having microlocs is the fact that I feel comfortable. I forgot which way I just went. I feel comfortable doing my hair with the microlocs, and that was something that I kind of enjoyed when I first installed them too. I just felt like it wasn't as, I mean, it's not as, there's no specific grid that I have to follow with microlocs. There's no like specific way that I have to do my hair. Don't get me wrong, sister locks are beautiful, and I definitely was on the verge of getting sister locks. I still love sister locks. I think they're gorgeous. I'm just saying, I think I made the best choice for me by getting microlocs, because I like being able to maintain them myself, and I don't, you know, kind of like without as much structure or without as many rules as Sister Locs came with. And again, I love Sister Locs, so I'm not saying I don't like them at all. Definitely was about to get them. So I'm just going to try to get as close as I can. I may need a smaller needle too going forward, because it can be a little challenging to get through the hole the closer you get to being done with it. Yeah, I still have a little spot right there, but it looks a lot better. Okay, let me try to see if I can. Let me twist this in too. See if I can go ahead and do a couple more reties right there for it to be done. I hope I'm doing this right. I will keep you all updated. Stay tuned to my journey so you can see how this ride goes for me. But I'm literally, like, I've done my research, but I'm still experimenting on my hair. So that's that. There's a little bit of a space right there. Let me see. Okay, so what do you all think? Did I fix it? It looks fixed to me. Looks all right to me. Now, it does look extremely longer now than my other. Looks extremely longer now than the other locks because of how I just fixed the middle. But I think I did a good job. So this is what it looks like again. Let me know what you all think. If you do want to see more of my microlocs journey, be sure to check out my microlocs playlist. I have that down below. Again, I'm going to have my Amazon store linked below. But I think a lot of my locks are doing really well. They're gaining weight to them. Some of them are just coming unraveled, which I talked about in one of my other videos earlier this week. That's like my biggest pet peeve, just the unraveling, excuse me, with my hair. Other than that, I don't really have too many complaints. But the unraveling is something that really is irritating. Okay, what is this one? I feel like this one wants to unravel. Like there's pieces around it that are unraveling. So I'll just twist it back into it. This one actually has like a gray hair. See, I feel like that's gonna come unravel right here. Should I just leave it alone? I'm gonna leave that one alone because it's not really splitting into two, but you can see the gray right there. But yeah, I just wanted to come to you. I don't want to hold you up too long. I just wanted to come to you all and show you how I was going to attempt to fix my microloc. I feel like I did a good job. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any other ways that are more efficient, let me know. I'm more than happy to learn. Yeah, I'm just taking you all along for the ride with me. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you on the next video. Bye.